Vuka uvuke ntwana uphakamise iphupho phokopele. Just spread your wings and fly away. Yungasabi, this is your world. This is your life. Impilo yakho ungavumi izinto zomhlaba zikuphazamise. This is your life. Impilo yakho ungavumi izinto zomhlaba zikuqindezele. This is your life. Impilo yakho ungavumi izinto zomhlaba zikuphazamise.
Yo, greetings, Bafethu. Greetings to the viewers, greetings to the streamers, greetings to our followers, Bafethu, our Interact. Please keep following the show and please keep subscribing. This is Brand Collabo Rapsin. This is another episode where we are last said Eben Farm. We're here to see umuzi wakhe aka Mirupa Soul, umfowaka Mabizela Bafethu. You know him very well. Unale ngoma le bathi uzomlinda uzobuye featuring uZola. Ngaphandle kokuchitha isikhathi and all other things, let's go and see him now.
Mirupa Iswa.
Black man, you on your own. It's reality. Black man, you on your own. It's reality. Let me 70. Let me 70.
Another episode of Brand Collaboration Rapsin Bafethu. Vandaag say Eben Farm. We here for Mzwake Mabizela aka Mirupa Soul. Njengoba nazi nonke ukuthi we are Brand Collaboration, promote my brands, promote my artists. We also interview the brand owner. So we'd like to know ukuthi kwenzakalani Eben Farm production today Bafethu. Keep your eyes glued on the screen. Spethe Grootman lethu vandaag Mzwake Mabizela, right? Yeah, Mirupa Soul, also known as Mirupa Soul. Yeah.
Thank you.
So lelo gama nje on its own li above kwamanye amafu Grootman lami, you know.
Oh yeah.
Clearly
on the streets. Yeah.
Clearly kune story esimnandi behind lona. I mean awuchazele kabanzi who is Mzwake Mabizela?
Yeah, sure Bafethu. You are welcome espacing sami Bafethu. La kula vele yabo ezikhala khona mfethu 24/7 creativity and all Bafethu.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngumuntu onjalo vele ngumuntu we creativity. Like I recommend myself or I see myself as a creative more than ukuthi ngithi I'm a musician or a craftsman. Yabo. So anything that includes creativity Bafethu, that's my heaven. Thank you Bafethu. Yeah, sure. Umzwake Bafethu out yasekasi. I was born and raised khona lana eMzambia but originally mfethu ngiBerudian.
All right.
Intwana yasePeru.
By the way,
yeah, lana sisezola Bafethu. Abantu they will know when they obviously dala bazi because mina ikasengiphuma kule sikhathini esibhaya. Live ne buyer when I come.
All right.
In terms of the world, the creativity and all. So ngasho ukuthi mina as umzwake inspiration ngithatha from da. Ngidonsa from le buma brr. Yabo. Ikwaito wa into yacishe manje nyana. Yabo. Njoba sezothi mapiano kanjalo. But angithi phuma le okunabo ma brick nabo sinyaka kunabo banibani yabona bakhanyile.
Those are our legends, no?
South African legends Bafethu in terms of music wethu la uphuma khona Bafethu. So mina I was born and raised kuleso sikhathi leso se inspiration. Yabo. So hence ukuthi pursue nendaba music. I've been doing music in fact for more than 20 years. I've worked with so many artists in terms of kule space list. Industry in terms of music and all. But on the twist side, hence ngibele ngiyenza lo music ngiwenza lo music ngadevelopa enye hobby on my journey.
On your journey,
yes, ngibele musician, performer, collaborator nabantu abaningi. Ngadevelopa leyo nto leyo ukuthi isani collaborator kwami kungigelelisa izinto eziningi ukuthi I can learn more out of what I'm doing now. Kuningi okusasekhona engathi mangathi ngiyangena kubo ngene ngadobha okuningi. That's hence ngacabanga yo yazi umuntu ngathi angashaya ibhathu better shayileda ibhathu
something
zithi ibhathu leda
ngiyamuzwa bafethu
zithi ibhathu leda and ngaleso sikhathi leso ngummusician wena kawo yabo but nginale intshiseko leyo ukuthi isani
mangafikelela
design akuhlale cause like ngikhula nje kule movement le ngiskima abantu mfethu aba creative kakhulu. Umgabe Thokwane mfethu awuthiyami enye graphic design. Yabona ngafunda
okuningi probably know him
umgabe wafethu yazi Deep Soweto waya umgabe ngikelezo okuningi kule outlet in terms of design and all. Vele mina bengumuntu interested in designing from dala ngisase scale before music. I used to draw before music.
So this started way back.
It's my childhood kind of background. Has come back now njengoba sengikule age. Futhi manje as yabo le back there. This was my first project.
Check it out.
Ukuthi identify ukuthi madoda. Leni leda yokuqala ka ibhek yokuqala engayenza. Yang inspire mfethu le back there. Yonke lento ngayishaya ngezandla la idengile.
So it was handcrafted everything.
Yonke into lana handcraft mfethu to ama riding akhona. Riding. Bazange ngivanye uzibhaye ship.
Now.
Ngazishayela wona nje ngezinye indlela.
I know it looks adventurous.
Ngithola. Ngayo le bag le leather le original mangithenga. First time ngithi ngiyobhayi leather. Aim yami kwakuthi ngifuna ukushaya igatu.
Sort of like Jumanji. If you ever watched Jumanji, get this bad guy Jumanji wafethi. You can carry on.
So I was saying the leather le is the first leather ngayithenga before. Interest yami when I bought this leather. My first interest was to kwenza ama sneakers. So bengibele ngipusha le brand yami yo music le nangamirupa soul. So I had an idea ukuthi athi ngenza ama sneakers idea ngamirupa soul. Awe leather. I had that thing mfethu ku imagination yami ukuthi I can do this thing.
You can do that.
So manje beyihlala ngiduma ukuthi I can do mana matekisi but. Ngibhaye yonke material ihlale lapha kimi. Zidlula inyanga bafu. Zidlula.
Olokuyibhekile.
Ngibele ngibheke riding ngitule material leli ingizwana. One day intwana ngazi ngiinspirekile nje. Ngithi namhlanje kumele ngiyuse le material. And then I came up with this.
Well, that's when she was born.
I came up with this. After ngibona ukuthi Gamampela this is real. I never stopped. To many of the things already sengizenzile.
I can see. So the urban lifestyle is your brand, Mirupa Soul, from head to toes, from your skin to your paws. I mean, you just told us in a story so kala. Masibona farm. We think of things like agriculture, livestock, Zola Nutritional Center, Guitar, Zola 3. Can you basically tell us, Uguti, what is Urban Farm Productions all about, really?
It's a very, very interesting story. Sahleli nenye out yami lebe sengimentionile vele already umgabi. So we had an argument, but i-argument yakhona yabo kuyi-positive argument yokuthi hayi man, because we were watching i-TV siyithu nontwana siziblomele nje kuyi-Saturday, and then show up i-story sikaMugabe, Robert Mugabe.
Robert Mugabe.
Yeah, a story
from Zimbabwe.
Yeah, from Zimbabwe. The OG.
The OG.
We're talking about the OG.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Mugabe, you see these people who are living in urban areas. They won't be able to farm and make and create food and what. So masihleli nontwana mina ngithi nayi man Mugabe uring integrant, but at the same time I don't get it.
Yeah.
Because abantu already mfethu have moved to ama urban areas.
Yes.
We have life kuma urban areas, and njengoba sine life kanje kuma urban areas is very crucial, and it is very like important ukuthi is create a way of living.
Okay.
Good environment or a location esikuyo.
Yeah.
So makathi lo muntu lona kuma urban farmers they can farm. Ekhanda lami kwafika ukuthi urban farm. Yabo. No, thina sise urban and we can farm.
Okay.
Yabo. And then masihlele kanjalo sinomgabe sesivumelana leyo nto ukuthi no man. Sise urban and we are farming. What are we farming as ama creatives? Thina sibheke a point of view yethu as ama creatives ukuthi thina what are we farming? We are farming music lo siwenzayo in terms of ukuqala ka sibhala ama lyrics and all the creativity that go behind a song masoyizwa so imamela ku Spotify.
Yeah.
And we are also doing these things ezifana namba ama graphic designs. Yeah, we're doing izinto ezifana nabo ma graphic designer. Uye kumgabagaba lapho ke izinto zakho umgabe mfethu umfana kaThukwane. Yeah.
Okay.
Uyu umfana kaThukwane ke obekadila naleyo part kakhulu. Noma ukukhuluma nje nge-graphic design mfethu recommended. Yabo. So besiphethe lezo zinto lezo. At the same time I was doing handcraft, as you can see, lama bheki lawa and all the things that I do like urban farm in terms of handcrafting. So we thought no, we are farming man. Lento esiyenzayo ukuthi is like siyafama. Yabo. Yeah, those yonke the creativity esiyenzayo iyama seeds to izinto ezingaphilisa abantu to the coming generations.
Yes.
It's similar as the agriculture.
Yeah. Okay, yes. So it's one and the same thing masisihlanganisa.
Yeah.
All right. So as in toucha le belt, in toucha ispan sakho, texture yale belt, it feels so bona fide, it's genuine. Yeah.
Sure.
So do we have types of leathers or specific names? Leather isebenzisayo ukuthi mhlambe le ibizwane or it's just a normal leather nje.
Yeah, ama leather mfethu ama types yabo. Good question. Nenini bengibambisa ama workshops for le gengele nencane yabo.
Okay.
I found it very important ukuthi vele nakuba understand ama type ama leather and ukuthi leather so ngispanisa kanjani leather so ispanise kanjani. Yabo. Lena I chrome leather le.
Okay.
Yabo ibizwa ngokuthi
chrome leather.
Yeah.
Okay.
The chrome leather le.
So
the chrome leather kwenzakaleni.
Chrome.
Yeah.
Chrome.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it's chrome. Chrome lo. Or chrome. Yeah. Also, it's chrome buffet. So you Google that one. It's a tallest tourist one. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the leather the way showing ngakhona mixture yamanyama leather.
Okay.
Like ama leather baya mixiwe ahlanganiswa ukuthi create le leather le.
All right.
Yeah, go on. Like imvuthu ze leather
that ended up creating a
leather. And it's a very very strong. Hayi ukuthi ngoba ngithi imvuthu ze leather usicanga ukuthi impela yini. Umakuya baba.
Yeah, I
know.
That's number. Ngiyayifila njengoba ngithatha it's so bona fide.
And then lena bayibiza veg ke.
Okay.
Veg leather le. Yabo angazi noma bayibona bafethu. Mara nje lena veg leather. Yabo veg leather injani ilena esikhathini esiningi othola bayenza ngayo ama icathulo ama boots.
Okay.
Yabona like mawispanisa uyakhona ukuthi mawuthela ngamanzi ukwazi ukuthi uprint whatever from a printer.
So
you can also abanye bayenza iart ngayo
Yeah.
Yabona abanye abantu bathathe le chrome lena bese maybe bayisike maybe beyiface yomuntu yobuso.
Okay, so
ibe iface
that's
yobuso.
creativity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bayimanzisile ngitshela ngelo nge-veg leather.
Yeah.
Bayibiza i-veg lo leather le.
Alright.
Usike maybe ebusweni maybe bonopopi or something bese uyishiphisa ngobuso ngathi lobuso banopopi njengoba imanzi njalo. Bese uyahamba uyobeka lapha elangeni. Mayisuka izosukile ya face leya.
Okay.
Yabo. So there's so many things nje ongazenza ngeleda. Yeah, net difference yayo the way ingakhona kuba nama soft leather, le soft leather.
Yeah. I remember that song Lil Wayne, my leather so soft. You remember that song? So Merupa Soul, ama brands eseswa interviewile nengwaziyo mostly adila ngegament efana nabo cotton, fabric, nylon. Why did you venture in the world of leather?
Yeah, hey mfethu, njoba ngikutshelile story sami ukuthi sisuke lapha.
Yeah.
But give me to be interested ku leather or like obviously nje kuba direct specific ku leather. I quality yayo le product lena yabo. Na the way umlando wayo ungakhona.
Okay.
Yabona. Because this is an animal. Yabona.
Isilwane kahle.
Isilwane. This is an animal. It goes back to the ancient time. Abantu mabasaqoka ikhumba zezilwane. Yabo. So umlando wayo nayo it says a lot. Yabo. Ushube ngalendlela lena ukuthi mina ke personal I was so fascinated with wow. Let me just venture in and see ukuthi what's in for me kulantole only to find out ukuthi vele iyakwenza konke. Yabona ile yenza konke mfethu yenza konke and the best part about it everything eyenzayo ishiya
quality. It can.
So mina nje kimi personal into eyangidrivela ukuthi ngibe interested ukuthi Urban Farm Productions in the craft leather.
All right. No. That's a good answer. Since you said it's a good question. So Merupa Soul, would like to know about Spin Venek Mfunda Makwela now. As a brand collab Rapsin, sesayivakashela i-workshop that has to do with traditional dancing, poetry, and other things nje ezimayelana ne-art. So amajitara, I was introduced to Mr. Soko. Yeah. Sabelo Soko. Yes, Sabelo Soko. Wherever you are, shout out, my man. So how does Urban Farm lifestyle or production collaborate with Mfunda Makwela, since the workshop was hosted here at Urban Lifestyle Productions?
Yeah, hey mfethu mina no Sabelo Soko.
Yeah.
Go a long ways ba.
Yeah.
Ngenkathi zabo ma New Town mfethu kusase abo ma Hora Cafe nabo Makmanaka yabo. Aleza inkathi leziyana mfethu abantu kade baye New Town during leso sikhathi leso bazo remember mfethu we used ukuba ifamily. We were like family people or young people abaphuma from different provinces. Usabelo as nawazi ukuthi uphuma eMpumalanga, mina ngiphuma la eSoweto. Mina noSabelo uhlangana kwethu sihlangana mfethu kuma session ase New Town. Mina use ukuthi ngicela i-old lami ukuthi mama ngicela imali yokugibela ngifuna ukuya eJozi. Yohlanganela namanye ama-artists.
Yes.
So mina noSabelo sinaleyo nto le sazana from leso sikhathi leso mfethu. Siphuma fair kudala sisipanisana mina noSabelo. So as kuyi-Urban Farm akaso angithi kunento esibize Urban Farm lifestyle whereby siba nama-live performances, ama-poetry, and then we invite people, we also sell our brands in the process yaleyo event leyo. Yabo. So mina noSabelo, that's when we started to collaborate in terms of our show, host our workshops. Yabo. Because the Urban Farm is, I don't know whether I said it, yaqala 2013.
Okay.
Yeah. Ukuba official.
It's been a while, It's been a while,
Ukuthi sibe official, ukuthi siyenze lento le sipush and all those kind of things.
Yeah.
So ku Urban Farm lifestyle kula ngisho khona ukuthi okay kunama performance and all. So mina noSabelo as besama musician obviously sihlangana kuma session yabona sometimes is performance i2 and all. So uyazi masama artists sama creative sometimes nokuhlala phansi sithi ayintwana as collaborate ekwenzeni into so collaborate ekwenzeni into so that's when we started ukuthi collaborate ke uSabelo aze nama artists from eMpumalanga nami ibe nama artists from High Soweto and then bese senza ama session so imfunda makhwelo iumntwana waleyo movement leyo vele sesayiqala kule collaboration yami naye uSabza as Eben Farm yabo so kuyo ke specifically le funda makhwelo it was based about self-awareness yabo self-awareness nokuthi abantu bazazi ukuthi baphuma kuphi izinto zamasiko and all those kind of things ukuthi ibongo zakho uzazi ukuthi uqalaphi uyapi
uphuma kuphi and where you go
so bokuyi idea yakhe uSabelo ukuthi ufuna ukuthi azoyi collaborator ne-Eben Farm yona le imfunda makhwelo that's when we decided ukuthi okay let's throw it and then people were happy about it and it's coming back again
yeah my data's right keep following the page Brand Collabo nathi sizona update ukuthi iza nini so Merupa Soul, what I'd like to know else and me and my team ukuthi where do you normally market your merchandise? I'm talking events, shows, stadiums, you know, like etc. Where you market your merchandises. Sibona ukuthi ilera it's all over this place.
Mfethu ngiuza indlela eziningi yabo as was now kulamalanga lawa it's about the socials yabona like abo Facebook abo Instagram yabona we also going now nakuma YouTube yabona
okay, so you use your
I also utilize the space where I'm performing yabo like if I'm performing every time ngenza sure ukuthi ngiphethe ibrand
Eben Farm.
Eben Farm.
Okay.
So yiyo ama revenue engiwasipanisayo and if maybe njengoba bengiye kuma festival yabone like in Grahamstown yabo so I packed all my stuff. Lapha I was performing at the same time displaying making
so people are attracted by
alright. So mina as a performer I find that advantage yabo it's not like ukuthi yabo I'm there I'm performing and all those things so lo ma revenue la ngiuza wona kakhulu yabo
so in terms like njengoba asithi mhlambe umuntu uyithandile ibrand yakho nofuna ukuyithenga where do they go do you have a store like Tengsela like do you have other ways of making your sales
ngiuza as ngishilo ukuthi I use different ways yokuconnecta nabantu yabo mina ngithengisa kanjani ngithengisa via online maybe you can email me yabo I love email futhi kakhulu because it's direct and straightforward yabo if maybe after you have seen sponsor maybe on social media or maybe you are browsing on YouTube what it la Eben Farm you can contact me direct mfethu ngedide ngeGmail which is merupasoulmusic@gmail.com kulapho ngitholakala khona when it's about business bafethu.
So maybe you can also give our viewers e-number where like WhatsApp and stuff like that. Maybe someone would like to order, isn't like isikhuluma no social media is so fast. Bounce with them.
Bafethu WhatsApp so about that. WhatsApp it's 067 0664193 bafethu ngiyatholakala mina Mzwakhe Mabizela Merupa Soul ngihlale ngikhona la eEben Farm bafethu Productions. Saluto
saluto to njengoba bashilo This is brand collaboration rap scene. Axi podcast is just a mini interview so that sizokwazi ukuthi brand so isukephi, ikuphi and iyaphi. Watch out for the next brand bafethu. Siyabonga kuwe Mrupa Soul. Mrupa Soul meant to say thanks for this time and I hope you enjoyed the interview as well as the track elizwakalayo. Welele tipso wethaijini bafethu namanje.
Ngeleda squad anka ipiti lapho esplinga ngeleda ka splinga ngeleda mchi anka ipiti squad emani splinga ngeleda ka splinga ngeleda ka anka ipiti squad esplinga ngeleda ka splinga ngeleda ka Splinga ngeleda ka splinga ngeleda ka splinga ngeleda ka. Thank you malume.
Coco Kupa akiri Coco le camine che hai cupela fe Coco camine Coco Coco Siyabonga for welcoming us and I just want to thank everyone for making time to come through today, but most importantly to thank Imfunda Makwela, because if it wasn't for that bug we wouldn't be here today. So Maschali Izanda Sishali Ishombi Imfunda Makwela.
Just spread your wings and fly away. Wasabi, this is your way. With the below ya, never mind what people say. What they say won't make it right. Who's and Zele, you be the bride. La 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 la. Just keep on stepping out. You better open that thing up. You know you only have one shot. You will make it. Just keep on stepping out. You better open that thing up.
the valley of dreams I stood naked, exposing homes to days that ate my flesh with rusted spoons and drinking hopes of ever dancing myself out of depression. Don't put the pen down, my father always told me, never put that pen down. Keep writing the sky in red, paint the moon black for the unborn child who carries the future on his evolving palms, oozing waters of mother's tears after tears of her husband's death, vibrated my eardrum. In this depression, I've seen the sun dancing on streets covered in rose-like petals of names caught in battles trying to escape this depression. As a child I learned that death is for the living, and it cannot always giving. The preacher wears the white collar hand, claiming a step ladder of time, utters black money is for the sinning. Black money is for the sinning, and the poor rich lady who clusters her face on the different place of ignorance expects us to be forgiving. As a child I learned. If you know your value, so on ufika njengendlela esibaya wena bakhophela ukwazi ukungayikhaya so ahele ukuthi nami ngizobopha ngisempilo nami wonke izomsusa besisabokela abakithi kaJehova bayibaye bebahleke ngoba ngawe ngizobopha umoya ndoda ngithi sokho mina to be a humble winner, to be a master teacher, sounds like a beginner, to be a king, to be a Climbing a step ahead of time, I took blood monies for the sinning, and a poor rich lady who clusters her face with a different taste of ignorance expects us to be forgiving. As a child I learned how to walk the night to sleep, listen when it speaks, clutching its teeth, breathing heavily down my ear, while hope, justice and fear, swiftly moving her legs and lips torn by a barren ear. How dare you romanticize poverty like it's hip to be poor, like it's hip to be called a Moor. Do you know how they survive the tidal wave of life as it blows a child's dream at the age of 5? Children of gold, born of silver spoons, stand a cosmetic podium, talking about their golden future. When I grow up, I want to be a movie star, a firefighter, a lawyer, maybe a doctor. But a child nurtured by depression aspires to grow up and put food on the table. While the mother breaks her back, the father takes the break from all the hustle. And this man addresses in depression, wears dust on his face and pushes a trolley across home filled with struggle. Yet girls of the day choose to ignore this, and so they curse. With the same tongue that speaks the Bible verse, hiding a mischievous identity with a uniform in church, while thinking, when is it going to end? Who got sham? Who sure? Who got sham? Who got shot? Who sham? And he was there. Mr. So-and-so is sitting with my neighbor's daughter and look at them as they dwell into toilet, turning tables of time, down in depression with empty black bottles of liquor. It's not fun receiving residues of the sun, tasting bitter on a tongue that spoke the night to infinity. Cause in the night, Africa, in the night we live to death with the moon of Calypso skies. We read beyond the in between the black and white lines and the times. Depression teaches about the politician that preaches. About the politician that survives the night in a home filled with failure. Hell and heaven reflecting from the world. Hell and heaven reflecting from a boy looking at the world from a fragmented mirror. And this fly sister who flips like clipped wings to lick her calls her father husband with him. In 94 we stepped out of an institution wearing an armband, trees on track, pattern hate echo. Hold on. While my grandmother whispers tales of moving on. Move on, she keeps on saying while paying rent to today's hard living. Cause in these streets wounded by depression, perseverance is what it takes to survive the sharp blade of this ghetto, of this overworked and underpaid ghetto, of people getting shut down in the name of money ghetto, this ghetto I call ho, 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 ho.
Ezinganesi yakho, why you always the Buddha? Why you always the Buddha? Baba tete nenisi, Baba tete nenuka. I'll see ya terabu, I'll see ya terabu. Ikosi, namaka wegasi, enini. Patrone, itulelelelina. Hello. Ay, 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 ay. 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 Oh, de Patrosa, Timurera, 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 Timurera,
I will start over. You can take away everything. I will start over. It's been in PE, it's happened in Durban, it's happening in Johannesburg. And there will be more, and not even in this country, that I will do most likely. I needed a space to go to. And my best friend's house was one of them. It's full of peace. It's the only place I can go to and feel safe and taken care of. And I found love there. I went to my best friend's house to re-announce my peace back to my center. He gloved me like a shell of pet chickens meant for lived purpose. Under the stars of your moon, the moon showered my shine with a breath of fresh air. Have you ever heard the sound? The moon showered my shine with a breath of fresh air. Have you ever stared at a being talk ridiculous stories with the adornment of your goosebumps? Glasses can translate a whole lamplight of eyes that can gloss your naked being. One day, the day Arsenal lost 4-1 would be the day I knew presence and whatever time would make a heart heal of loss. We are found by hands that can shiver your skin into reality. Your touch is kind and wholesome. What a relief to live in trust of your unavoidable yearnings. A moment of a lifetime lived in days. See, when I talk of the last time I felt my breath blow through happiness was in your arms. Was Cinderella gets her first night with the prince. I haven't been in love since my best friend left and you looked at me. Glasses are what inspired this very moment, but love bug. I'm sick and tired of pretending not to want you and old. And 10 years away from being grayed up, it's taken me 30 years for me to find you. Do you really think this is a good idea? For us to dismiss me like a missile waiting to destruct your way of feeling? I'm a mother of one. Available to feel whatever kisses I feel from my toes up. I'm ready to shield your fears with my dated woman juice. Reincorrect into the lover I know I am. Help me find your soul in all parts of your being. Release me of everything and of exes you won't dare. I'm a once in a lifetime love. Have me. Nizago and dusty. Release the lioness to practice. I'm not scared anymore. This is me, unapologetic and ready. No one can save you. May the galaxies fulfill its dreams upon all. I chose me. There's never been a better time to live than now. Zivule kamvala mama pupa fezeke. Demba tetongo lam seben landi. Vugama ngonyama yetacha manda dinawo. The rise of any phoenix is a revolution waiting to be set alight. I know the honor of truth now. Imitando zokamama ayisange yaphephu. Isengo sami sikhomba ngaphambili. Hey, thula wena mlomo wami yalazi kusasa likuphatheleni. Vuka sukulona sikaphalo. The time is now. Whoa. Diyathemba. Uy, ya, oh. Kona, lo, da oguyo, dia temba, kwezi. There's a breath you forfeit to breathe when you give yourself to high power. Reverence is an act of the Bible cheated of its actual death. Imvuma kufa is living in mercy. To dim down to darkened knees is all that will save you from the darkness destined to rattle you. Ukuphila ngekubo is a song of unknown genre. The music happens simultaneously from your ears, feet, vision, and voice. Dead silence is the only thing that brings my great-grandfather's respect. I watch myself pour into nothingness, hang my dreams in their mercy and rest in power. Peace is a vacation in these type of streets. You line up your days of joy. Sadness is the best receiver of the spirit. On your darkest of days, you are able to share the most honest of light. Time has all authority to do us like that. See the world in most of its dimensions. Release prayers back from God. The day my life changed, I told a woman her son was okay from the other side. She blessed the day I was born. I replenished out of my mother's rejection. You never see the people you want to see though. To prove that this isn't all you. It's a courtesy. I serve so it gets to skip my daughter. A humble request in uncertain nerves, where you have deemed my light, even in lives, may I live in solace in their hearts. When you speak in anger, you risk the life of another human being. Powerful is your tongue, able to be comprehended even in silence. This Tukosam is the pride of my people and I raise the name of my maternal grandfather. Utita, so let's put us in here. Man enough to house my resting place, no matter how far I go into the world. How bold of any man to do such. Into us was what happens to your body when the sky kisses. The distance is incomparable. I hope I fall in love one day without expected rejection. Renew my representation and build me into motherhood, be it in spirit nor my own. Always here without disturbance. But wait, we're not meant to speak of things like this. Kanyanjalo, kanyanjalo, kwengwezi. Kanyanjalo, kanyanjalo, kwengwezi. Come on.
Sengungcono ngihambe mina ngibuyele ekhaya.
Ngiyapitizela.
Ngibuyele ekhaya.
Ngiyapitizela.
Ngibuyele ekhaya.
Ngiyapitizela. Ngiyapitizela. Ngiyapitizela.
Sengungcono ngihambe mina ngibuyele ekhaya.
Ngiyapitizela.
Ngibuyele ekhaya.
Ngiyapitizela.
Ngibuyele ekhaya. Sengungcono ngihambe mina ngibuyele ngihambe mina ngibuyele ekhaya. Ngibuyele ekhaya. Sisekhona mama. Sisekhona mama.
I call myself. No, I'm just expressing myself in a unique way. Cause I ain't got no friend to confide to. Cause I don't know the meaning of friend. You, pen and paper are my friends. You don't swear me to secrecy. You don't let me become your shadow. You just let me be myself. You don't force me to go to parties and drink my sorrows and worries through the nights. I'm not a poet. I give life to the blank pages. I'm not self-centered. I'm just simple and maybe conserved. I'm not better because that word brings bitterness. I'm more than a conqueror because I've conquered the conquerors. I'm not just anybody, I'm somebody. I'm passionate about writing. Life is like a river. You can't touch the same water twice because the flow that has passed will never pass again. One of the greatest lessons I got from life, there is no market for your emotions. So never advertise your feelings, just display your attitude. A smart statement in life, never raise your voice in anger. Just improve the quality of your argument with smile. Life starts with intent and ends with silence. Love starts with fear and ends with tears. And friendship starts however and will always remain forever. Life is a one-way road where you can see back but you can't go back. So don't miss anything. True line, life is very similar to a boxing ring. Defeat is not declared when you fall down, but it's declared when you refuse to rise up.
We made headlines, endabeni zango 7.